These tips and tricks will enhance the way you use ChatGPT for good. In this video, we're going to be going over 5 super useful features that ChatGPT offers for completely free. Before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. ChatGPT has a temporary chat feature which allows you to use prompts without them being saved in the taskbar on the left and will be deleted when you leave the page. If we click on the ChatGPT logo on the top, we have an option to turn the temporary chat feature on. This allows us to use ChatGPT without the page getting saved on the left taskbar. This is useful if you want to ask ChatGPT a quick question which isn't relevant to the rest of your work, or if you are dealing with sensitive data. We can exit the temporary chat feature by clicking ChatGPT and unchecking temporary chat. Now that is permanently deleted and cannot be retrieved. Moving on to the next tip. On the ChatGPT search bar, we have a search the web feature. When clicked, all the prompts we enter, ChatGPT will be able to provide an answer from the web. The benefits of using this feature is that ChatGPT is able to provide real-time accurate information in its results. For example, if I type, "What countries are warm right now?" within seconds it has searched the web and provided a list of countries which are warm right now, which is the 13th of January 2025. If we click on the sources button, it will open a sidebar to the right and provide a list of websites where it got its information from. We can click on any of these and it will take us straight to the website. This feature can be extremely useful for research tasks which require up-to-date information and a list of sources where the information is from. Next up, if you're looking to use ChatGPT for a certain objective, custom GPTs could be a good option. A custom GPT is a specialised version of ChatGPT which is designed to do a specific task. If I go to the sidebar, we should see an option called Explore GPTs. This will take us to the GPT store. There are a variety of GPT categories such as writing, productivity, research and analysis, education, lifestyle and programming. If I'm going to click on this GPT under the programming section, which is called Python, which has been specifically designed by someone to assist with the programming language Python. I'm going to click Start Chat. The first thing I like to ask when I start using a custom GPT is, what are the functionalities of this GPT? It has come back and said that it is able to help with code development, debugging and error fixing, reviewing code, testing, teaching and explanations, iterative development, file handling, tools and commands, problem solving and project assistance, and real-time execution. Now I'm going to enter this piece of code which is used to find the factorial of a number. I know the code has some errors in it, so I'm going to see if this GPT is able to spot them. I'm simply going to type, "What is the issue with this code?" then press enter. It has now provided a list of issues and recommendations which it has spotted about the code that I have provided. Along with each issue/recommendation, it has provided a description. For example, number 5 it has stated, using Python's built-in function, then said, Python math module has a built-in factorial function. Using it would make the code more concise and robust, avoiding the need to manually implement the logic. Another cool feature which is included in the free version of ChatGPT is the file upload feature. If you take a look at the prompt box, you will see to the right of it a staple button. If we click this button, we have the option to upload a variety of different documents such as images, PDFs, spreadsheets, text files and much more. One of the features that comes with the ability to upload spreadsheets is the ability to use ChatGPT's data analysis tool. I'm simply going to upload this dataset which contains information regarding Walmart sales. I got this from kaggle.com and we'll leave a link to this in the description below. Now I'm going to click enter. It has now recognised that I have uploaded a spreadsheet and asked how I would like to proceed. I'm simply going to type analyse the data. As you can see, it has activated the data analysis tool, and within seconds it has provided a breakdown of the spreadsheet which we have uploaded. It has stated the row count which is 6,435 and the number of columns which is 8. Then it has gone on to listing out all the different columns and also provided some observations about them. One of the main jobs of a data analyst is to cleanse data to make sure the spreadsheet doesn't have any incorrect, incomplete or duplicate data in it, improving the overall quality of the data set. This can be an extremely time-consuming job, but with the help of AI it can be done within seconds. All I'm going to do is type, "Please can you cleanse this data?" In less than a minute it has come back and stated what cleaning actions have been performed, then it has provided a sample of the cleansed data, then it has listed out a list of key statistics. We can now start asking questions to gain answers from our data, so I'm going to ask, how do sales vary across stores and what factors might contribute? In the result it has started by creating two graphs which provide a visual answer to our question, then underneath it has provided some information about what the graphs are showing. Another feature which comes with being able to upload files into ChatGPT is the power to ask questions based on images which you have uploaded. ChatGPT is able to analyse and understand images. For example, I'm simply going to upload this image now and ask, what is this image of? As you can see, it has successfully worked out that this is an image of an aloe vera plant and has also provided some facts about the aloe vera plant. This feature can be useful for identifying what different objects are. That's all we have for this video today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.